Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the future of luxury on wheels of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, known for redefining what it means to drive in comfort, style, and innovation. The S-Class is back with updates that push the boundaries of automotive excellence. If you thought the previous models were refined, wait until you see what Mercedes has done for 2026. At first glance, the new S-Class continues its tradition of understated elegance. The sleek profile, with its aerodynamic curves and commanding grille, announces its presence without shouting. The LED headlights are slimmer and smarter, adapting to road conditions in real time. Around back, the tail lamps feature a new signature design that reinforces its identity on the road, day or night. Under the hood, Mercedes offers a range of mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. The S500 comes equipped with a turbocharged inline-six paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivering smooth power with improved efficiency. For those wanting more punch, the S580's twin-turbo V8 also gets hybrid assistance, blending performance and fuel economy in a way only Mercedes can. And yes, there's talk of a fully electric S-Class in the works. But for now, the EQS continues to hold that flag. Inside, the S-Class is as much a luxury lounge as it is a vehicle. Step in and you're greeted by a cabin crafted with meticulous attention to detail. The ambient lighting, now offering even more color combinations and dynamic effects, sets the tone for every journey. Mercedes' latest Bucks system dominates the dashboard with a massive OLED touchscreen that looks more like it belongs in a high-end living room than a car. Voice controls are sharper, faster, and understand natural speech better than ever before. Rear seat passengers aren't left out, either, with executive seating options, massage functions, and even entertainment screens. Riding in the back of the S-Class might just be more relaxing than a first-class flight. The Burmester 4D surround sound system turns the cabin into a concert hall, with vibrations in the seats letting you feel the music literally. When it comes to safety and tech, the 2026 S-Class continues to lead. It's equipped with the most advanced driver assistance features available, including hands-free driving capabilities in certain conditions, smart adaptive cruise control, and automatic lane changes. The car learns your habits, adapts to your driving style, and constantly updates through over-the-air software enhancements. But the real magic of the S-Class isn't just in the feature assets and how everything works together so effortlessly. Whether you're behind the wheel or being chauffeured, the ride is whisper quiet. The suspension floats over bumps, and the sense of isolation from the outside world is unmatched. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class isn't just a car, it's a statement, a symbol of progress, comfort, and class. Mercedes didn't just update a flagship, they reinvented what a flagship should be. Thanks for tuning into Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this look into the future of luxury, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.